In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of making your TikTok account private, allowing only approved users to follow you and view your videos. Make sure to watch until the end to ensure a smooth experience. And don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three lines icon to access the menu and then select Settings and Privacy. On the following screen, you will find the Privacy section. Tap on it to proceed. Towards the top of the screen, you will see the Private Account feature. By enabling this feature, only users you approve can follow you and view your videos. Simply toggle on the Private Account feature and your account will immediately become private. It's important to note that your existing followers won't be affected by this change. And that's it, you have successfully made your TikTok account private. And if you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and until next time, happy TikToking!